Hey guys, today we bring you an easy garlic and herb chicken wing. To get started, we added 1 tablespoon of garlic powder to 30 chicken wings, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Miss Dash garlic and herb salt-free seasoning, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of adobo, half teaspoon of turmeric, half tablespoon of salt and pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, the juice of 4 limes, 3 tablespoons of oil of your choice, but we use vegetable oil. Two tablespoons of dried parsley. Set your oven to 350 and cook for 50 minutes. After they're fully cooked, broil for another 15 minutes. These wings are full of flavor and we hope you enjoy them as much as we did. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in our next video.